For me, creating videos in 2023 was a very easy thing, except that part of introductions. Those first ways to captivate the viewer and make someone feel like I've arrived. So right now, my dear friends, I have decided to let you see those videos which I consider to be the top 10 video intros of my 2023 creations.
After editing your short video, you want to make it stand out by adding subtitles. Only to realize your speech-to-text minutes are used up. Purchase more? Wait. In this video, I will show you how to get your SRT subtitle file and customize it in Filmora absolutely for free. A great YouTube video must be in this format. First, tell them what you want to tell. Tell them what you told them you were going to tell. Tell them what you told them. And this makes up a hook, a body, and a conclusion. In this video, we're going to see how you can add some spices to improve these two with the help of editing.
So this logo right here was created, of course, by the Wondershare Filmora team. I don't know how long did they take to have it completed, my dear friends, but today I am going to recreate it for you within 5 minutes from scratch. Hey editors, you wish you could edit so fast to be able to produce more content, right? But you are not really sure. How possible could that be in Wondershare Filmora? Well, in this video are 10 tricks to help you edit faster. Christmas is coming and you need clips. That's exactly right. You film and you edit, and that's the reason why I have to teach you in this exact right time the creative transition for this Christmas holiday coming up.
For years, we have eagerly anticipated the arrival of a remarkable individual. He who has made waves in the realms of Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut. Now, we can joyfully announce that this luminary has made his debut in our very own Filmora community. The impact they have had on professional editing software is finally within our reach, allowing us to unlock a world of creative possibilities in our video projects. His name is Color Wheels.
This is Wondershare Filmora logo, but I created it. So the recreation of Wondershare Filmora logo is back, and this is episode 2, where we are focusing on recreating only the animation. Hey my dear friends, Alex here from Alex Edits, and this is episode 2 of Filmora Redos, where I bring to you the entertaining training of what you love. This is a real test! Unlike the previous episode, today I have 5 redos for you to solve, and we are focusing on audio tools. So this is how I have arranged them, considering the effort and time that I put on each and every one of those introductions. But if you think one of these videos deserves to be the base of all these 10, you can let me know in the comment section. And that being said, support the channel by subscribing and also sharing the content. Peace.